In industry, they're very comfortable with preventative maintenance, scheduled maintenance. And they also use technologies for predictive maintenance as well. But the key is to take it further, and that's where SKF engineering comes in. We look at the physical evidence of the damaged equipment, and we compare that to the vibration data, compare that to the other predictive technologies, and we understand why a piece of equipment has failed. And then we can take action and improve that mean time between failure going forward, repairing that piece of equipment.
Customers out there do predictive maintenance, but they don't take it far enough. We're trying to take it another step beyond what they used to do. We would identify a problem predictively, we would offer a solution, and they would do whatever they wanted with it. This program, we're identifying the problem, we're coming up with solutions, and we're actually implementing them to make sure these problems don't reoccur.
The biggest killer for us in the hot mill is unscheduled downtime. Well, this place is scheduled to run 365 days a year unless it's planned downtime.
Unpredicted failure may cost you 5 hours. If I've planned for it, it may take me 2 hours.
This is the first contract of its type here in the United States, and it is very exciting. It's truly focused on results. It's truly focused on not what's happened in the past, but what could happen in the future. And that is the exciting part about it.